Who controlled the economic and social power before the 18th century in France? So your answer is aristocracy and the church control the economic and political power in France before the 18th century. Name any two Indians who talked the significance of the French Revolution. Rajaram Mohan Rai and Darazio talked the significance of the French Revolution. इसके बाद आपका आता है what were the varied response in Europe about the transformation of the society. So there was some accepted that some changes were necessary but wished to have a gradually shift, while others wanted reduced retrusting of the society. Mention the type of the government favored by the liberals. The insist on the representative elected parliamentary government subject a law interpreted by a well-trained judiciary. That's why independent of the ruler and officials. How can you say the liberals were not a democratic? ये बहुत important question है. The liberals were not democratic because they did not believe in the universal adult franchises. They felt that only men of the poverty should have a right to vote. They were against the voting right to women. Mention one significant view on the radicals. Radicals wanted a nation in which the government was based on majority of a country population. When did the conservatives become the respective to the end of need of change? After the French Revolution, the conservative became the respected to some kind of changes. Which group of ideology was against the king kind of political and social changes earlier in the 18th century? The conservative in the early 18th century were against the kind of the political and the social changes. They were the idea of the conservatives regarding social changes in the 19th century. The conservative believed some changes were required in the society, but changes should be slow. Changes should be slow. What kind of development took place as a result of new political trend in Europe? As a result of new political trend in Europe, industrial revolution occurred and new cities came up and railway expanded. List the major changes during the industrialization. Men, women and children were brought to factories during the industrialization. What were the firm belief on the of the liberals? The liberals firm belief in the value of individual effort, labor and enterprises. How would a society develop according to the liberals? Liberals who believe in the society would develop the freedom individuals were ensured if poor could labor and those with capital could operate without restraint. Who were the people that wanted to put an immediate end of the exciting government in Europe in 1815? Some nationalist liberals and the radicals who became the revolutionaries want to put an immediate end the exciting government in Europe 1815. What were the nationalists' view about the revolution? The nationalists view the revolution would create nations where all citizens would enjoy the equal rights. Who were responsible for achieving the equal rights in Italy? An Italian nationalist Giuseppe Mazzini conspired with others to achieve the equal right to all the citizens in Italy after the 1815. Socialists against the private property. Socialists against the private property because individuals who own property were concerned only about their personal gain rather than social welfare. What were the two different visions of the socialists of for future? Socialists like Robert Owen believe in the idea of the cooperative and the build cooperative communities called the Harmonian Indiana. Other like the lowest balance would could not be achieved through the individual initiative. Government should encourage the cooperatives. What did the Karl Marx workers to overthrow? Why? Karl Marx want to workers to overthrow capitalism and free themselves for the capitalism exploitation. Which international body was formed in Europe in the 19th century to coordinate the effort of the socialists all over the Europe? The international body was formed in Paris in 1889 and coordinate the effort of the socialists all over the Europe. It was called The Second International. Name the Socialist Party formed in Britain and France in 1905. Labour Party. And Socialist Party was formed in France. Who was the ruler of Russia and the Empire in 1904? 1914, Tsar Nicholas II. Mention the religions include the Russian Empire. Russian Empire includes the territory around Moscow and current day Finland, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, part of the Poland, Ukraine, Bulgaria. It also comprises some of the today's Central Asian states. Name of the religion practiced in Russian Empire: Orthodox Christianity, Catholics, Protestant, Muslim, and Buddhist. Which was the major occupation Russian peoples were beginning in the 20th century. Agriculture was occupation about the 85% of the Russian at that time. Name the prominent industry area of the Russian Empire: St. Petersburg and Moscow. Name any two factors were led the setting of the industry in Russia and the end of 19th century. The expansion of the Russia railway network and increase in foreign investment led to the setting up industry in Russia and the end of the 19th century. What was the commune of Mir? The commune Mir was the cooperative community of the people in Russia living together and sharing the possession and responsibilities. Socialist Revolutionary Party का क्या role था? The Socialist Revolutionary Party struggled the peasants' right to the demand of the land belonging to the noble transferred to peasants. On what point the Social Democrats and Social Revolutionaries different from each other? Socialists felt the peasants were not united group. Some were poor while others were rich. Some worked a level while others were capitalist. However, the Socialist Revolutionary Party divided over the strategy of organization. One group under the Lenin felt that the party should be disciplined and the number and the quality of the members should be maintained. Others wanted to the party to be open to all. The Bolshevik Party का क्यों था कि वो open to all. Which community demand constituting during the 1905? Who support them? Liberal, Socialist, Democratic, and Social Revolutionists with peasants and workers demand the constitution. Nationalists and Jadilists support them. Who were the Jadis? The Jadis were the Muslim reformer within the Russian Empire. They wanted the modernized Islam to lead their society. What was the Bloody Sunday? Bloody Sunday was an incident when a worker possession led of the father girlfriend were attacked by the police and the winter place talking killing hundreds. What do you mean by the Union of Unions? During the 1905, revolutionary lawyer, doctor, engineers, and the other middle class workers established a union of the union at demand a constituency assembly. Why did the Tushar dismiss the first Duma within 75 days of the election? The Tushar dismissed the first Duma within 75 days of the election because the Tushar did not want any reduction in his power and anyone or to question his authority. Between which two European alliances First World War broke out. The European alliance was Germany and Australia and Turkey and France, Britain and Russia. Give an instance of the high anti-German statement in Russia. Remaining of the St. Petersburg, a German name was the postcard, showed the high anti-German sentiments. What did autocracy popular in Russia? The German origin of the text Alexander and the advice like for the more Rasputin meant to aristocracy unpopular in Russia. What was the division in the layout of the Petrograd city? The workers' quietly factories were located in the right bank of the river Neva, where on the left bank, fashionable area, the winter place and the official building were attacked. Which division faced the flood shortage in February 1917? The workers' quarters were affected deeply with the food shortage in February, in which the Tushar desire of the parliamentarian were opposed by the parliamentarian. were opposed the Tushar desire to dissolve the Duma to preserve the elected government. Why did lockout took place at the factor on the right bank on the river Neva on 22nd February 1917? इसका आंसर बहुत इजी है. The lookout place at the factor on the right bank of the river 22nd February 1917 in the favor of the workers at the left bank of the river. They had a bad time due to the severe winter and food shortage. Which event took place after the Tushar abdicate on the 2nd March? Number 1, forming the provincial government, and number 2, decision to set up a constitutional assembly. Question number 45. Who formed the provincial government run the country? Soviet and Duma leaders formed a provincial government to run the country. Who were the influential in the provincial government? Army officials, landowners, and the industrialists were influential in the provincial government. What were the Lenin April theses? The three demands of the Vladimir Lenin after the return to Russia in April 1917 were called the Lenin theses. Why were the most of the Bolshevik party were initiated surprised by the April thesis? Most of the Bolshevik party members were surprised by the April thesis because of the following reason. Number 1, they wanted continuance of the World War I. They thought that time was not ripe for the socialist revolution. Government needed to be supported at this time. What do you mean by the nationalism of bank and industries? It meant that the ownership and the management of banks and industries held by the government. Name the ship that protected the winter place during the October Revolution in 1917 in Russia, or you were protected with winter place during the October Revolution in 1917 in Russia. What was the Budonovakia? Budonovakia was the Soviet hat that was chosen to assert change in the army uniform. What was the Bolshevik Party renamed the October Revolution? Bolshevik Party was renamed the Russian Communist Party after the October Revolution. What was Chika? Was the secret police set up by the Bolshevik to clamp down on its criticised. To whom did the red, green, and white refer to the during civil war in Russia? Red were Bolsheviks, green were socialists, and white were protesters. Name the countries and supported the socialist revolution at the protesters in Russia. France, America, Britain, and Japan support the socialist revolution and the pro-states in Russia. What was the Stalin view about the rich peasant and traders? Stalin viewed that rich peasant and traders had stock of the food grains, hoping for the higher price in future. Over Kulkas were the rich peasants who had most of the land in Russia. What were the problems associated with the small size farm in Russia? Production in a small size farm declined as modern farming cannot be used. इसके बाद आप लोगों के शॉर्ट आंसर्स आ जाते हैं जिसमें आपका लिबरल्स और नॉन डेमोक्रेट इसको आप एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. मैं सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की रिकॉर्डिंग आपको दे रहा हूं. इन क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को अच्छे तरीके से करेंगे और उसमें से ऐसा कोई भी क्वेश्चन आंसर जो कि आपको समझ नहीं आता है वो आप मेरे साथ डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. ये सभी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं जो मैं आपको दे रहा हूं. अब इसमें ये जो क्वेश्चन है आपका, व्हाट वाज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोल्शेविक एंड मेंशेविक ग्रुप, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है बेटा। ब्लडी संडे का आपको लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन के अंदर भी आपका मेंशन हो गया है। व्हाट इफेक्ट डिड द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर हैव ऑन इंडस्ट्री ऑफ रशिया, ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। लेनिन की अप्रैल थीसिस, जिसमें उसकी 3 डिमांड्स थी। ये सभी क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बेटा, जो मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ। ये आपका बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. व्हाट वाज द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ रशियन रेवोल्यूशनरी? इसमें पीस, लैंड ऑफ टेलर, कंट्रोल ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री बाय द वर्कर्स इन रशिया, equal status for the non-Russian nationalists. अब आपके लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. ये भाई वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग कर रही है.